Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? It is time to find our winner of the I Won, So Can You. If you'll recall, I won this beautiful Jeffree Star palette from Shannon Carroll's channel. She had a Rocker Chick collab. I entered it and I won some fabulous prizes, and I was able to share some with you guys. And I do have a lippy and I think an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow in the giveaway that we're fixing to do. I added it to it. And I've got my URL in. I've got Star Ranch. That was our code word. And there was 43 unique comments. So 1 out of 43 will win this. And I want to wish you all the best of luck. I want to thank you all for supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's find out who the winner is. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Unboxing with Arlene is our winner. Hey Arlene. She says, hi Miss Jackie, amazing win. Happy Mass Monday. I hear the Star Ranch is amazing. Thanks for sharing. Well, thank you Arlene for participating. Now, I know Arlene is subscribed to me because we do a lot of collabs together. We have been friends for a very long time. So Arlene, you have 48 hours to get back with me and let me know that you have seen this video, and I will get your prize out right away. And I want to thank you for supporting my channel, and I look forward to seeing your channel. If y'all don't know, Arlene has a great little channel, so you need to pop over there and check her out as well. And subscribe if you like her content, which I think you will. So take a look there. And as you all know, YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. I have purchased everything on my own. Okay guys, that's all I have today. So as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.